remembered Allah Almighty, who did the dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This dog was with them, Allah made the remembrance of this dog to be with them. For how many hundreds of years did they sleep? Over 300 years. They slept. When they awoke, they found what? The dog was still there. The dog didn't leave the side of the Salihin and the Awliya. This dog remained loyal to Allah's friends. My friends, those who remain loyal to the friends of Allah Almighty, then their name will live long as well. They will be remembered amongst those that this was the man who served the men of Allah Almighty. This is who the Sahaba were. What was it? It was connection. This dog on the day of judgment, it is narrated, will enter into paradise. The dog will not enter into paradise in the form of a dog. The dog shall enter paradise in the form of a human being. My question to you, those who object